Hello everyone, it's Cleofa here, and today we're going to crochet this bandana. So I'm using Flex by Loops and Threads. This is size 4 medium weight yarn, and it is a speckled kind of yarn, and this is in Seafoam color. I'm using size H 5mm crochet hook and a pair of scissors also. So for row 1, let's start with a knot and chain 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Double crochet in the first chain, and it would look like this. This is row 1. Row 2, chain 3. 1 2 3, turn, and in the space 6 double crochets. So 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, and this is row 2. Row 3, chain 4. 1 2 3 4, turn, skip the first 2 stitches, 1 and 2, and starting here in the next, single crochet in the next 3 stitches. 1 2 3, chain 2, skip the next stitch, single crochet in the third chain of beginning chain 3, and this is row 3. Row 4, chain 3. 1 2 3, turn, and in the next chain 2 space 6 double crochets. So 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Then skip the next stitch, single crochet in the next stitch, then skip the next stitch, and then in the next chain 2 space 7 double crochets. So this is 2 3 4 5 6 and 7, and this is row 4. Row 5, chain 4. 1 2 3 4, turn, skip the first 2 stitches, 1 2, and starting in the next stitch right here, single crochet in the next 3 stitches. 1 2 and 3, chain 2, skip 5 stitches. So 1 2 3 4 5, and starting in the next stitch, single crochet in the next 3 stitches. 1 2 and 3, chain 2, skip the next stitch, single crochet in the third chain of beginning chain 3. So this is row 5. Row 6, chain 3. 1 2 3, turn, in the next chain 2 space 6 double crochets. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Skip the next stitch, single crochet in the next stitch, skip the next stitch, and in the next chain 2 space 7 double crochets. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Skip the next stitch, single crochet in the next stitch, skip the next stitch, and then in the last chain 2 space 7 double crochets. So this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7, and this is row 6. Row 7, chain 4. 1 2 3 4, turn, skip the first 2 stitches, single crochet in the next 3 stitches, chain 2, skip 5 stitches, single crochet in the next 3 stitches. 1 2 3, chain 2, skip 5 stitches, single crochet in the next 3 stitches. 1 2 3, chain 2, skip 1 stitch, and single crochet in the third chain of beginning chain 3, and this is row 7. Row 8, chain 3, turn, 6 double crochets in the next chain 2 space. 1 2 3 4 5 6. skip the next stitch, single crochet in the next stitch, skip, 7 double crochets in the next chain 2 space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Skip the next stitch, single crochet in the next stitch, skip the next stitch, and in the next chain 2 space, 7 double crochets again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Skip the next stitch, single crochet in the next stitch, and in the last chain 2 space, 7 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And this is row 8. Then from here, just repeat the last 2 rows. So from rows 9 to 18, just repeat rows 7 and 8 consecutively. So I'm going to continue my work. I'll be cutting off the video and I'll be back when I'm done with row 18. And this is now what the piece looks like after row 18. And if you want to increase the length, just keep going. Keep adding rows until you get to your desired measurement. Then from here, I'm going to crochet the strings. And I'm just gonna continue from where I left off. So this is my last stitch right here. From here, chain 50. And this is now 50 chains. Then just turn and single slip stitch in the second chain from hook, like this. Slip stitch in the next chain and in each chain of the 50 chains that we just did. So just continue until the beginning of the chain It would look like this. And now we just crochet the first string. Then from here, just continue on the sides. So evenly single crochet on the sides like this. So the goal is to give the the sides a clean finish. So just kind of eyeball where to crochet next, but just evenly single crochet on the sides like this. So continue. This is what it looks like. So continue on the side here, and then I'll see you on the other point right here. And it would now look like this. So this is now I have now crocheted single crochets on each side of the triangle right here up to here. And then from here we're going to crochet the other string. So chain 50 again from here. And it would now look like this. And just like the other one, same pattern, slip stitch in second chain from hook, slip stitch in the next chain, and in each chain across up to the beginning of the chains. And it would now look like this. And I'm just gonna do one more to finish off right here. One more slip stitch, then fasten off. Then cut the yarn and then just weave the tail like this so that it would look nice and seamless. And this is now what the piece looks like, all clean up and all done. So for the strings, you can make it longer, just crochet or chain more than 50. For the measurements, the sides measures about 9 inches and the top measures about 13 inches. If you're new to my channel, please check out my other videos. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you like this video and please subscribe.